नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं खबर 07 और यहाँ पर हम आपको बताते हैं कि धर्मशाला में पंचेन लामा को रिलीज़ करने की मांग उठी है। आपको बता दें कि आज से 30 साल पहले पंचेन लामा को चीन ने किडनैप कर लिया था और आज तक उनके बारे में कोई भी पता नहीं है। बौद्ध धर्म के ये दलाई लामा के बाद दूसरे धर्म गुरु माने जाते हैं और इनके लिए बौद्ध धर्म से जुड़े लोग तमाम इनके वर्षगांठ पर, जन्मदिन पर हमेशा ही इनके रिलीज़ किए जाने की मांग लेकर सामने आते रहते हैं। धर्मशाला में इन सभी लोगों ने मिलकर एक जुलूस निकाला और पंचेन लामा को रिहा करने के नारे लगाए।
I'm the Vice President of Tibetan Women's Association.
So Kaisala, what's going on here today?
Yeah, today is the 29th abduction of the 11th Panchen Lama. So we commemorate this day. So we, the Tibetan Women's Association and the Regional Tibetan Women Association, we united and we stood against in front of the Maglot Square. We demand to release the 11th Panchen Lama. He is the youngest political prisoner in the world.
Here, all the Tibetan Women's Association for the support of Panchen Lama, 11th Panchen Lama. We urge the Chinese government to release the 11th Panchen Lama. He is the youngest to the longest prisoner. So we urge the Chinese government to release 11th Panchen Lama and all the other political prisoners from Tibet. Yeah.
So what is your event today?
So today is 11th Panchen Lama's 29 years. Today marks the 29 years of abduction, disappearance of 11th Panchen Lama. So, which is why we have gathered. We almost do this every year. So this is now the 29th time that we are gathered here, and we want the Chinese government to, release Panchen Lama and give us the current well-beings and whereabouts of 11th Panchen Lama.
Do you believe that your protest will have some impact on China?
I hope so, and I really believe that it should make some difference, because we are the youngsters of Tibetans, and we want to hope and we want to believe that it should have an impact, but we don't know about their ongoings and everything. So we want to, we are hoping in the way. Yeah. You're welcome.
My name is Tenzin Pasang and I am a National Director at Student for Faith Tibet, India. And today I'm here supporting Tibetan Women Association on their march, protest march, day that marked the 29th year since the abduction of the 11th Panchen Lama when he was just 6 years old.
What message do you want to convey?
As I told you before, it's been 29 years, almost 3 decades, and still there is no news about his whereabouts, and China still disregards our asks, and we strongly demand to know about his whereabouts, and we want him to be released soon. We want him back, and also it also shows the disregard for the human rights, and there is no religious freedom inside Tibet.